Everyone, and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Electrum wallet.
To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started.
First of all, if you're on iOS, then you will want to go to the iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, then just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. And then in the search box, just type in Electrum Wallet and start the search. Once you find the application, just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Electrum Bitcoin wallet application. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and when you see the open button, you can just tap on it to open up the Electrum Bitcoin wallet application. Now you will be asked whether you use a network proxy service to connect to the internet. This option is normally a no for most people, but if you do, then select the yes option and then tap on the next button. In the next screen, you can simply leave the option at default and then tap on the next button. You will now be asked to enter your wallet name. Just type in your desired wallet name and then tap on the next button. You will now be asked what kind of wallet you want to create. Just select whichever option is best suited for you and then tap on the next button. Now this is the screen where you have to tap on I already have a seed in order to log in to your existing account. So select the option that says I already have a seed and then tap on the next button. And now you will be asked to type in your seed. Just go ahead and type in your seed in the given box, and then you will be able to tap on the next button, which will then log you into your account. In case you have forgotten your seed word, then sadly there is no way to log in to your existing account and you will lose all of the crypto within your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your Electrum wallet.
If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.